Great sale.
Yeah.
Really cool set. We just got back from a trip to Asbury Park where we used to live before we moved up to the Hudson Valley.
Yeah, we were away from Wednesday to Sunday, and now it's Monday morning. We put our store on away from Wednesday to Sunday.
Yeah. We had 10 sales. So it's been another kind of slow week, but we had some good sales.
Yeah, I mean,
So-
considering that we barely listed, I think I listed like 2 or 3 things while we were gone. You know, I'm just happy that, you know, we still made some money even though we
Yeah.
were on vacation.
Yeah, we sold some good things. We're going to go through that this morning. We went away because we wanted to kind of have a fantasy of if we didn't move from Asbury Park, what would it be like to thrift there? Like, if those were our thrifting stores, how would that all go? And I think overall it went really well. We thrifted Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We didn't thrift on Saturday.
The place where we stayed at a little Airbnb. Literally 2 blocks down the road, there was a thrift shop that we went to, and that was really cool. We got a few things there. Unfortunately, as we were paying, Kelly points to a flyer at the checkout. It was like a church thrift shop, and it was all about your money going to pro-life organization.
Yeah.
And so I kind of felt kind of cringy about that. But
Yeah. As we were handing the money over, we were kind of like, oh, because we set out to try to go to mom and pop smaller thrift stores, and because we do thrift a lot at the Goodwill and Salvation Army.
What's going on, guys?
Hey,
Let's go.
How are you?
how you doing?
Finally, I get to see you guys in action.
Oh my God.
Personally. I was
Oh,
watching your show,
oh really?
and I subscribe and I like every time. So,
I forget your name.
Steven.
Steven. Yeah, Kelly and Melissa. Yeah.
Want to say hi? Want to be in it?
Sure.
Come on in.
Oh no.
We just met a fellow reseller.
Hello, everybody. These guys are good. I was just watching what you were talking about, the bird. On the,
Oh, those
yeah,
bird.
yeah.
And then I found something similar to it
Oh, you did?
right at the Goodwill there, and I left it there because it looked like a lot of work what you were doing. So I gave up. But
That's crazy. Yeah, so we see you at the Goodwill
Yeah.
quite a bit. So you have a storage unit here for your stuff?
yeah, for all my stuff.
Have you had it from the beginning?
No.
Or is it a recent thing that you got the storage unit?
Just recently, because I couldn't fit through my dining room anymore. So.
Yes.
We had the same problem.
That's what happened to
Yeah,
us
it's wild.
too.
And then I saw on one of your videos the number of this unit, and I was like, one day we're gonna meet up.
Okay, we'll have
So
to
here
come
we are.
check out your unit too.
We have 10 sales to pack up today, so we're like, it's a little slow.
I gotta pick up 4 items, not 10, but 4 is
Well,
good.
we were
Yeah.
away. We were
Yeah,
away
we were
for
away.
this is since Wednesday to Sunday.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
a little perspective.
All right.
yeah. Awesome. Hey, thanks for jumping in.
Hey, thanks
Yeah.
for having me.
Yeah.
We'll talk
Bye,
to you guys
Steven.
later.
Yeah, take care.
That was fun and random.
I know, I love it. So wait, so we were gonna go to like mom and pop places, like smaller. There's been conversations about the Goodwill and
Where's your money really going? And I think like anything and everything in the world, it's not all or nothing. It's not all good. It's not all bad. I mean,
yeah,
I think that a lot of good comes from it, but is all your money going to help people? Probably not.
right.
But we try to be a little bit intentional about it, and like I would rather not give my money directly to pro-life organizations because I do believe that we all have a right to choose, and
Yeah. So when we went to Asbury Park, we thrifted nearly every single day and went to different places just to kind of see, like, if we still lived there, what it would be like to source there. And It was really good, and we recorded everything. So,
But that's going to be another video,
yeah,
right?
right. So, but I just wanted to kind of set it up because we're doing a what's sold today, but the next videos are going to be all about us thrifting in Asbury Park, which will be fun, and it's like by the beach and what we found there, and we're going to do a haul video too and show you what I picked up and what Melissa picked up. So let's go ahead and jump in. You'll show us what we sold.
All right. The first thing that I'm picking out that we sold is this. It's a resource from the Metropolitan Museum of Art for educators, and we got this out of the cases at the Goodwill quite a while back for $5, and it sold for $20.
And everything's plus shipping.
Yes, unless otherwise noted. The next thing is, we just went over this, but I forget what we paid. It came from the Goodwill.
I probably remember, but I don't know what it is. It's a mystery.
I'll give you a clue. It's round. It's
Good to see
breakable. It is a dolphin glass paperweight. And what did we pay for this?
We paid $2.99 for it.
$2.99 at the Goodwill, and it's sold for $15.
We sent a best offer. We had it listed for $20.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now this one, I'm a little bit nervous because, hang on, next to the SKU, there's a question mark, which means I think it is in letter CC, but I'm not 100% sure. I know I've run into it numerous times while searching for other things. There's not many things in here. But it is, yes. And this is a very special t-shirt from my personal collection. It is Sophisticated Boom Boom, which is a radio show that we love to listen to and support on WFMU, Sophisticated Boom Boom with Sheila B. And we support WFMU as sponsors. We donate to them every year. And so I got this t-shirt. Unfortunately, it's too small for me. I wore it a couple of times and just realized that I needed to let it go. And since I am a reseller, we sold it for $20. So next up is a sweet vintage Adidas tracksuit, top and bottom. We've had this for a while, and part of the reason why I didn't list it right away is I had a hard time finding it, looking it up.
Let's just show the tag.
It's like a vintage 90s tracksuit. It's in excellent condition.
And I'm just looking like where it's made. Oops. Okay, yeah, it's made in Hong Kong. So that is one of the indicators that told us it was vintage.
Yeah.
80s or 90s?
I think 90s.
Yeah.
And we bought the top and the bottom for $6 each, so we spent a total of $12 on it. I listed it for $115, and it sold full price in about a week.
Great sale.
Yeah.
Really cool set.
Yeah.
I remember getting it. It had just come out on the racks, and one of the Goodwill coworkers, or one of the good coworkers.
What?
One of the Goodwill workers said, "Oh, that's a great find."
All right, next up we have a book and a DVD. Let's see. What was that DVD called? Ghost in the Shell. It's like I think it's anime.
Yeah.
Here it is. Ghost in the Shell 2, Innocence. This is a Goodwill find for
$1.
$1.
Yep.
And we sold it for $8.
We got a lot of lowball offers on that.
Yeah.
And I was kind of like holding
Getting
tight.
annoyed.
Yeah, a little bit.
Next up is the Blair Witch Project book, which we got for $1 also at the Goodwill, and that we sold for 12.
Yeah, that's a really cool. It's like a dossier.
Uh-huh. Dossier.
Yeah.
Fancy. It's a fancy dossier. Okay.
I remember being so scared at that movie at the very end when like you see something
Yeah.
move in the basement or in
Yeah.
that house. I can't remember. It's been a long time since
Yeah.
I've seen it, but I just remember being so scared. And then I went camping and people really got into stacking
no.
rocks like in the movie.
Oh, wasn't it like bundles of like little like...
No, it was like rock stacking. It was like
Oh, it was? I thought it was like there were these like twisted stick figure.
I don't
or
remember
something.
that. I just remember rock stacks, which is now very popular, and people
they-
are like, stop doing it.
Yeah.
But they were everywhere in the woods, and it was because of Blair Witch, and it
my
scared
God.
the crap out of me. I just wanted
Yeah.
to go home.
I remember seeing it in the theater in the 90s. I was in high school. And it was at that point where, like, I mean, I think they did such a great job rolling it out. Like, we didn't know if it was real or not. Like, is this happening or is it fake? Here we have a vintage Gap jacket or anorak. Here's the Gap tag. And we bought it for $6 at the Goodwill. I listed it for $45 because I'd seen a comp that had recently sold for $45, but ended up taking a best offer of $40.
Yeah, we got a couple of lower offers, 30, 37.
20.
Yeah, but we knew it was a special jacket, and you know what? I love selling vintage Gap stuff.
Yeah.
I love finding it. We found some vintage Gap stuff while we were away in Asbury Park. That'll be in the next haul video, but I don't know. I like it. I think it's like nostalgia too because I used to wear it. I was just kind of obsessed with I don't know, wearing Gap. I guess I was that preppy nerdy person.
And here we have a Mad Tea Party California Adventure Disney t-shirt. It's from Disney. Kelly picked this up at the Goodwill for $4 and I was like, really? You know, that's a sign that it's going to be good. If I'm like, really? I wasn't sure. Listed it for, what was it, 20?
20.
And it sold right away.
Yeah. I thought I shouldn't
you
have
may-
picked it up either.
really?
And it's not,
It's not a
a
great
number of
sale,
people
but
would
it's-
pass it, but it's $15 after what we paid for it. So, and it sold fast, so it wasn't
was
too
a quick
bad.
sale and we did profit from it, so great. I don't know why this doesn't have... Wait, am I missing something? It doesn't have a label, but I know I've seen it recently. It's right over here or over here. Here it is. Finally, this sold. We got it at the Goodwill a long time ago for $3. Mm-hmm. It's a really nice vintage lacquerware tray set. I'm just going to put it right here. And it's been sitting a while. And it just sold for $15. And last but not least is a vintage Mickey Mouse t-shirt that we picked up at an estate sale for $1 and it sold for $50. Here, do you want to pull that tag down?
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, that's a cool tag that I've never
Yeah,
seen
Disney
before.
Designs, made in the USA, super size, so it's one size, and it is single stitch.
Mm-hmm.
And actually, it was sitting in our death pile for a long time, and I just listed it last week.
Yeah.
And it sold for $50.
Like right away. And that's it.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming along. We're going to head home and pack this all up because it's got to go out today. And that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you all for your support. Thanks to all the longtime subscribers and the new folks who are just discovering us. We can't do it without you. We'll see you next time.